much will change. It's changed a lot. Even the sounds of the beats change. But we gotta learn to accept the evolution. You don't have that type of beat anymore. But at the end of the day, you still got something you could bounce to. People are just trying to do different things just to get their attention. And some people go to the extreme. Authenticity of the reggae dancehall music, we still got to hold a place for that. Every now and again, I bring up some of them real old-time rhythm and just put my style on it. What would I do to change dancehall? I wouldn't do nothing. I would just keep adding to it.
Yeah man, big up Courtney Wallace Media. This is Busy Signal. I know the things that we're spreading the music all over the world. Yeah man, spreading the media, the news. Yes, Courtney Wallace Media. Busy Signal.